Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all tweets at once on Twitter, right? So this is pretty easy guys, make sure that you're using the latest version. And after that we will go into the Twitter mobile application here. So we have to first of all go to all the tweets which we have done, right? So we have to click on the profile icon which is on left top side, and we have to click on the profile here, and we can see here that all the tweets which we have done, right? So the first option is that we can delete from the three dots which you can see beside every tweet here, and after that you will get the option that delete tweet. You can click on the delete tweet, and after that it will delete your tweet, but you have to do it for each tweet. This is going to take a lot of time, right? So for this we have to use the third party mobile application. Unfortunately there is a no official feature in Twitter where you can delete all the tweet at once. So just go to the any of the browser and search tweet delete, right? So we will click on this link, and after that it will take a few seconds here, and we have to sign in with our Twitter account, right? As you can see here that delete multiple tweets with one click. So this is the key feature of this application, this extension, right? So make sure that you use the extension only in your PC. In this way it will work much more better. So I hope guys you found this video really useful, and if you did, comment down right below, subscribe our channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.